Elliot Fintry. He was unpredictable. He was cold-hearted, always able to keep his face completely void of any emotion. He could make my heartbeat stutter by just looking my way. He could send me to the heavens with just the tiniest hint of smile on his part, and he could send me to hell with just a single word.
Every breath you take, every move you make, every bond you break, every step you take, I'll be watching you.
He looked like the coldest of winters,
every single
and yet
day,
he tasted like the hottest of summers.
every word you say, every game you play, every night you stay, I'll be watching you.
He kissed like the world's ending. He told me that's the only way to kiss.
Oh, can't you see, you belong to me? How my heart aches with every step you take.
He can leave this car, this country, even this planet, and I'll never be able to let him go.
Every move you make, every vow you break, every smile you fake, every claim you stake, I'll be watching.
This isn't a love story. This is a story about love.